Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we will see a review on ULAA web browser. It is the India's first web browser, and if I tell you that this web browser is developed by Zoho company, so and it is the first Indian web browser. So definitely, I thought that I should make review video on this web browser. Okay, and when you visit on this page, and you will see the first banner which tells us that we keep things private, we secure data, and we are super fast. And it also tells that a browser that respects your privacy protects your personal data. So definitely I love this thing very well. And while you scroll down, you will see that this ULA platform is available for Mac, Intel, Linux, Android, and iOS as well. So if you are Mac user and Windows user, so you can use this web browser in your PC. And if you are using Android or iOS, then still you can use this web browser on your mobile phones. Okay, and it tells me that ULA wins Indian Web Browser Development Challenge. So it is very good thing about this web browser. Okay, so and it is tells us that Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. It is an initiative I did. Okay, so I love this thing. If you go down, then you will see here that how ULA protects your privacy. So there are so many things about it. Okay, so you just go to this link and you will get to know these things very well. There are so many features about it. Okay, so I love this thing. And scroll down, then you will see that there are five modes available in this web browser: bug mode, pro mode, personal mode, kids mode, or open season mode. Okay, and personally, like I am web developer. Okay, I am software engineer, so I love this developer mode very much. Okay, if I tell you about, like, if I compare this web browser uh, with the Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and like Brave browser. So I love this thing about that. Like, this developer mode comes with so many features, and those features are important for the developers as well. So that's why I am using ULA web browser. Okay, and I have already downloaded and installed in my system. Okay, and the installation process is very simple. Okay, like Chrome browser or other web browsers. Okay, so you don't need to worry about this thing. Okay, so I will go with start this ULA web browser on my system. Okay, so let me see. Okay, where is ULA? Okay, it is already there. So so an interface of the ULA web browser looking like this. So let's get you set up ULA. Okay, okay. So like I can customize modes as well. Okay, so I will use each mode. Okay, so enter the profile name. I will put my profile name as a Rohan. Okay, and I will just will continue, and default. I will set default as a personal mode. Okay, then I will make continue. Kids parental control mode. So I will just use Rohan123 as a password of this mode. Okay, so it comes with the two kinds of privacy protection. So it comes like first is standard, second is extreme, and like I will go with extreme. Okay, like I want extreme privacy protection, and definitely I will choose, and I also suggest you that please choose extreme privacy protection. Okay, so like you will be safe. Just click continue. Okay, so there is the dashboard settings, and it is asking me to choose like what kind of dashboards you like to see in the web browser. So there are two kinds of dashboard: smart dashboard or minimal dashboard. So I usually I use a minimal dashboard, but for this video I will choose a smart dashboard. Okay, or I will go with continue, and I want to. I am a software developer. Then I love the dark mode. and in anything like in my PC, in my web browser, in my editor. So I will also choose the dark mode here. Okay, so I will go with continue. Okay, and the search engine ULA doesn't lock you into a default search engine. Choose the one you trust. And okay, so there are five kinds of search engines. So I will just choose Google, and I will go to the, if you want to import your data from your already installed web browsers, so you can import it. So right now I want to import from anywhere. Okay, so I will just skip and continue. Okay, I don't want to think by signing here. I will keep it later. Okay, so I will just close the browser. So at this moment I want to make it set as default. Okay, and you will see that it is the first interface of the this web browser. Okay, and it is telling me that you are in the personal mode. Okay, so definitely it comes with like you are seeing that the top sides of this personal mode. Okay, and if I if I go with like it is still like I am feeling that I am using light mode. So just wait a minute. Print, find, care. Okay, more tools. And I will go with customize ULA. Choose dark mode. Yeah, pretty much. Now the thing is that like I yes I was telling you that regarding the developer mode. Okay, you can switch your mode like this. Okay, or it is the already mentioned the top sites like Google, Stack Overflow, Hashnode, Figma, YouTube, or something like this. So I love this thing very well. So I just want to see something. Okay. First I will change the preferences. Okay. I want to change the search engine. It, right now it is DuckDuckGo, and I want to use Google Chrome. This thing. Okay. So first I will choose like I will search that regarding .NET. Yeah, okay. And I want to show you something. Okay, in the developer mode. Suppose yes, this page is loaded, and what's the thing like I have noticed that it like my page is like quick loads. Okay, so like if I but like uh, let's see. Okay, how much time it will take. .NET. Then we will see that how much time it will take to reload the page. Okay, we are still the same. Okay, so okay, here is an icon in the ULA web browser. Just click here. Okay, so you will see there's so many quick actions like you can use dark mode. Okay, blurred vision. Okay, so it makes your web page as a blurred vision. Okay, layered borders. Okay, and suppose you are the web designer, so it helps you a lot. Okay, so and filter gray scale like it converts your colorful application into the black and white. Filter intensify invert. I don't know what's the purpose of it. Okay, filter shape. Yeah. Okay. So reduced contrast, font monospace. Okay, I love this thing. Okay, I love this action. Uh, and if I'm developer, okay, or if like if I see the text like this, so I will definitely love to read this thing in this font. Okay, so I and insert jQuery CDN. Okay, I don't know what's the purpose of it. Okay, okay, no issues. Uh, so here is the like developer mode. Okay, and if I choose to, if I choose the kids mode, then I will. It is asking me for the password. Okay, if I want to log in, it is telling me that my password is wrong. I don't know like what happened. My password is already correct. If it is not login, okay, just leave this thing. Okay. So here is the like if I tell you the like very important thing about this web browser and what I am feeling right now. I am feeling that I am still using the Chrome browser. Okay, so like it doesn't make me feels that I am using any other browsers than the Chrome browser. Okay, so it like if you are Chrome browser user, okay, and if you use this browser, okay, so you will nothing to see any UI based generations, okay, and that's why like this web browser becomes popular in India, okay, and I will definitely use this browser, and I will set as a default browser in my system. Okay. And I just want to tell you that you should use this web browser, okay? And we all like our priority should be privacy and security as well. Okay, so this browser comes with this those kind of things. Okay, if I tell you about the Brave browser or Opera Mini browser, so okay, so this kind of things require the subscription as well. Okay, so so good thing about this web browser that you want like you don't need to pay anything. Okay, for this kind of security level. So I love this thing about this web browser. Okay, and everything seems perfect, or everything seems like I am using the Google Chrome. So like Zoho developers thought that like majority community is that from the Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge or Brave browser. Okay, and a user must not feels like they are using the different web browsers. Okay, so that's why they keeps like they kept same UI. I love like this is the very impressive thing. Okay, and all and user never wants to change its experience. So definitely I love this thing or this time like this web browser like I am feeling very comfortable in this web browser. So and it is also comes with the developer mode, so definitely like it is very interesting thing. Yeah. Let me see like if I inspect this web browser, okay, so okay, like my Google console is still the same. Okay, so there is no any changes in the console, developer console, so it is a very fantastic thing. Okay, all the options are same still, and icons are also same. So this is the very good thing about this web browser. Okay, and you should use this web browser on some. Okay, and if you're a developer and if you are from India, then start using this web browser. Okay, so I just want to tell you that guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you love this like video, if you love this review video on the ULAA web browser, so share this video to your friends, your colleagues, your network as well, and hit the like button. So, and I just want to tell you that I have created an Instagram page with the F2 with Rohan, and you will find me on the Twitter as well. Okay, you will like if you want to admin connection and LinkedIn profile, so you can see the URL in the last slides. Okay, so here is the thing. Also, here is the review video on the ULA web browser, and you should use this web browser from right now. Okay, and I will use this video like this browser in the further videos. So so guys, here is the end of this session. Or till then, take care, guys. Bye bye. Okay, so bye bye. Have a good day.